Welcome to Hina Teaching, Class 4, States Capitals, Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Simla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Telangana, Hyderabad,